Welcome programmers. Today I'm going to show you how to create a responsive navigation bar in Bootstrap in few minutes. Okay, now let's get started our work. Okay, now I click, so I'm in Bootstrap homepage, Bootstrap 5 homepage. So I click the get start button. In get start button, so it's once I click the get start button, it's redirect to introduction page, and inside the introduction page I copy the starter template. So this is my blank HTML page. Let's see. Okay, now I install Bootstrap to my blank HTML page. Now I want to remove this hello world and create navigation bar to here. To do that, select components and select navbar. Okay, so from the list you can choose what you like, and so there's a little bit difference here. Okay, same, I think same. So how will I copy this one and I remove h1 inside body, paste the navigation bar codes, bootstrap codes here. So once I refresh it, you can see pretty decent navigation bars here. Let's say let's check our responsive. Okay, now it's working fine. As you can see, it's working smoothly, working fine. And if you want to put this home features, pricing, and these links to here in right corner, just add in UL class. I'm adding type here. So my object is I want to get all these links to right side. So just type here ms auto. So now save. Once I refresh, yes, it's shift to right side corner. So now I want to get this links to center of my page. Before that, let's see page responsive. Is it responsive? Yes, working perfectly. Let's see. Okay, now let's see how to get these links to center of the page. Right. So only I change ms to mx auto. So okay, save it, and once I refresh, yes, it's come to center. So now you know how to add the navigation bar, responsive navigation bar into your page. I'm using Bootstrap, and yes, now my tutorial is finished. Please comment your thoughts about this navigation bar and the Bootstrap, and subscribe if you want to learn more about web development programming. Please subscribe us. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.